Hi there! In this video I will show you how to download cpuz in Windows 10, setup and zip. You can go to this website. Scroll down. First I'm going to show you the zip version. Difference between the setup and the zip is the setup is not portable, which means you have to install it. Click this Zip English. The portable one, you can put it on your flash disk or external storage, and it's more practical in my opinion. So it depends on your personal preferences. Click Download again. Wait for it to finish download. If the download does not start, try reload the page or open the website in new tab. Then extract it. In this case I use WinRAR for extracting into a folder. Then install it according to your Windows bit. My Windows is 64-bit. If you don't know what bit your Windows is, you can check by press Windows plus R on your keyboard, then type dexdiag. As you can see, mine is 64-bit. Back to cpuz. Double-click on it. And there you go. Now, I will show you the setup version. Go back to cpuz website. Click Setup. Click Download. You don't need to extract the setup version. Double-click on it. Click I accept. Next, check this if you want cpuz a desktop icon for shortcut. Click Install. The default location will be like this. Check this if you want to read cpuz readme.txt. The content will be like this. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching.